Good Monday. Today is Monday, August 11th, and as you can see, the market opened up considerably higher today. Look, we're looking at the E-Mini S&P 500. It closed on Friday the 8th at 1923.5. We opened up today at 1934. So we're up quite a bit from Friday's close, and I truly believe that we're going to continue moving higher. Let's just take a look at a daily chart here, and I'm going to look to put on a trade. I was hoping the market in the first 3-minute bar would kind of sell off a little bit to get long, but I am real tempted on getting long here shortly, and so I want to get this on tape for you so you can see my strategy that I'm looking to employ at this moment. Okay, let me show you why I believe this market will be moving higher. Okay. This is the E-Mini chart of the daily chart. This is the daily chart. And what we saw down in here on Thursday, look at Thursday right in here. That's a bearish engulfing pattern, right? Took out the high of Wednesday, took out the low of Wednesday, closed lower. So that's bearish, right? But remember, this all occurred at logical support, right? In the gray action zone, slightly below that action zone. So we had a bearish engulfing pattern followed by Friday. Friday actually took out the high of Thursday. Again, if the market's able to take out the high of a bearish engulfing pattern on us after its support, it tells you the market wants to go higher. And obviously some of that is reflected in the open. I mean, we've opened up quite a bit higher. Okay, so let's just look back at the 3-minute chart and see if we get a trade. All right, here we are back at a 3-minute chart here. We've had, let's see, we've been open 6 minutes now. This is the first 3-minute bar. Second 3-minute bar made a lower high and a lower low. This is the third bar we're working on now, and it's looking like it wants to probably move higher. We're inside the second bar here. I'm going to wait a little longer to see if we can break through this low or if we can break through the prior bar's high. Just want to give this a little bit more time. Let me pause the video real quick. Alright, as you can see in here, I am long this market, looking for the market to bust up through the first 3-minute bar high. That's what I'm anticipating. Even if this market were to drop a bit, I probably will add to this position because I truly believe we're going to go higher. I believe we're going to go higher and break up through 1934 and a quarter. 1934 and 3/4 is the high. Let's just do something real quick. The high is 1934 and 3/4. The low of today is 33. That's a 1.75. I think we'll break up through the 34 and 3/4 by an equal amount of what the range is a buck and 3/4, right? So a buck and 3/4 up from 34 and 3/4 is 36.5. I believe we break up to 36.5. I'm gonna pause it again. All right, I am back. We'll see if this market's able to break up through the highs here, came down here, and let's see if this is ready to go yet. I'm going to pause the video again. I'll be back. Alright, I am back. The market came back up and tried to retest it again at 34.5. Let's put an order in to get out of 8 at 34. We'll go 34.5 here, and we'll watch it very closely. 34.5. Alright. 34.5. See if we can come back up one more time and test the 34.5. Get out of 8 of them, and we'll have 2 left. Let's see what happens in here. All right, getting back up 34.25. Let's see if we can hit that 34.5. 34.5. Let's see, getting close to it. A tick from it. Getting real close to it. Let's see if we get this. We're getting divergence all over the place. Alright, here we go. We're out of 8. We've only got 2 left, so very small position on the remainder. We're going to see if it breaks up. If not, we're at 34 and 3/4. 34 and 3/4. We closed out a profit of what, $200. So not a whole lot. I was looking for the market though. I still think we're going higher, but again, I'm getting divergence all over the place with the advanced decline line, the NASDAQ, and everything. NASDAQ's rallying. Look at 35 and a quarter. Here we go. We're rallying that. Now we're starting to take it out. What was I looking for before? 36 and a half. Let's see if it continues to move. 35 and a quarter. All right, here we go. This is the breakout I was looking for. Okay, it took a little longer than expected, but it is doing exactly what I thought it would. Okay, so yes, it pulled back a little bit here. Should have. I was actually looking to double up if the market came down to the 38.20, but the market wasn't able to do that, as you can see. It came down, right back up. At a small position, we've only got 2 left on right in here. And I said I was looking for 36 and a half. What, didn't I say that? 36 and a half? Okay. And there we go, 36 and 3/4, 36 and a half. Not bad, right? Hit my objective. Therefore, let's exit the remaining. Okay, we're long, so we're going to sell 2. Okay,
Order filled.
Here we go. So would have made a lot more if I had kept the entire position on, but not bad. $400 in the first 25 minutes of trading. So I still think we're moving higher from here. But if you recall, when I put this position on, right, I said that I was looking for the market to hit the 36 and 3/4, right? 36 and a half rather, right? And it went to what? Look, 36 and 3/4. Okay, so my objective was hit, and we made some money here. Now the question becomes, we're getting divergence all over the place in the S&P advanced decline line, the NYSE advanced decline line, the NYSE tick. We're diverging big time, right? And what I mean by that is, let me just show you what I'm talking about, if you can see it right in here. Okay, right in here. Let's just see. Can you see? You can see that, I'm assuming, right? Look at that divergence here. This is the S&P advanced decline line. High of the day here. This is where we're at here. We're higher in price here. I don't think this is a good chart here. So the question is, do we short this, looking for a little movement to the downside? That's the question here. I think one could get short and risk a little amount. Let me just hold on one second. Let me pause it. All right, I'm going to end this video. Hopefully you learned something about this this video here today. So again, the market opened up considerably higher. That's where it closed Friday. Opened up right in here. Bought it right in here, looking for that 36 and 3/4 or 36 and a half to get hit, and was hit right in here. Took partial profits off prematurely, and then as that profit target was hit, I got out of the remaining portion of the position. So not a bad trade with just a $400 profit there. I still think this market's going to move higher today. I really do. Even though we've got, like I said earlier, we've got massive divergence with the internals, the NYSE tick, the S&P advanced decline line, even the, yeah. So, all right, I'm going to end the video. Hope that helps. I will be back tomorrow morning, and let's make some money today.